This show's called Banging Gears, not Banging Paddles. This guy's a fucking trader, bro.
You done traded.
Again, next lane at the track too, just for that.
I'm giving everybody a 1 second head start, and I'm clearing them by 2 seconds. Who do you think he is? Yo, light that shit up.
I don't think you got.
I'll open it up to anybody on this facility.
I don't think you got shit on my boy. I don't think you got shit on my boy. Check out his suit.
Check out the drip, baby. You ain't beating me. I'm gonna put this on while I beat you.
Let me see a little 1-2. Let me see a little 1-2 shift.
Paddle shift.
Let me see. Oh shit. Okay. Don't hurt yourself now. It kind of smells like coffee a little bit. I don't know what's going on.
Before we get this video started, if you haven't entered for our K24 EM1, head over to eastcoastimport.com right now and get yourself entered. Morning from Vegas Speedway. Yesterday we made a decent amount of power here. Everyone didn't expect, I guess. Big change of plans here today. Originally we were supposed to race a Ferrari Pista. Today we got here at 7 a.m. and they told us that we're not gonna race the Pista anymore, I guess because of how much power we made or whatever. It kind of sets everything back because everything's on a time limit here. Now change of plans, they had to literally drive. We waited over an hour for the guy to go pick up his new car. Then he said we're racing a Evo, and then now we're racing a Ferrari F90 instead of the Pista.
F8.
Well, a Ferrari F8. We shouldn't have made that much power yesterday. That way things would have been according to plan. What you think?
Should have toned it down a little bit.
Honestly, at the end of the day, who gives a fuck what the fuck you say?
They're trying to put tires on the car. They went to, I guess, to a, I don't know, maybe a rental company and picked up the F8.
But honestly, we're made out for this shit. We're ready for any car. They could bring the baddest car they got on the property and we're gonna race it.
That's how we feeling today?
Yeah, I don't at this point.
So we are gonna wait even longer now.
Yo, this
I
show-
want him to change his tires.
This show's called Banging Gears, not Banging Paddles, baby.
Not banging tears.
What the fuck you got on?
Check out the drip that they gave your boy, huh?
You got a onesie?
Yeah, they put me in a onesie. They look professional. Okay.
You don't look like a drag
Do I
car
look
racer.
like I'm banging gears?
No, you look like.
Hold on, let me give you guys. What do I look like? This thing's kind of tight. It's like a full onesie. It's like when you put a onesie on and go to sleep. That's what it feels like. Even my.
You look like you changed tires in a pit.
Really like that? That
Yeah,
bad?
you don't look like a race car driver.
I don't look like a race car driver.
Nah,
I mean, I feel like a little race car driver. I feel a little fancy.
you look like you about to put some air in the tires. Yeah, what does he look like?
Proud dad moment.
Proud dad moment.
He look like he's about to change some tires, right?
You look good. You look good. You look good.
So we're finally about to go up for a test, for testing. Yeah, what do you think?
Ready, baby. I can't wait. I'm pretty excited to see what this car does on the.
I want to see how he's gonna drive.
That too.
This is the first time he's actually doing like a road course.
It's the first time him doing a road course. First time I've ever seen an all-wheel drive turbo Honda Civic on a road course. So it's gonna be interesting to say the least. But I'm excited. Everybody's pumped up for it.
And obviously we had to turn the car down.
I think it's on heat, right?
Yeah. Let's see what this little Civic could do.
Sorry, super sunny out here, but pretty much ready for the road course. And your boy is all dressed up. Check me out, huh? Head to toe. Do I look like a real race car driver or circuit driver, whatever you call this. A few guys said the track's a little like weird, but I don't know how much they drove before, but I don't think it's that bad. I think we'll be good. Got the Toyos on here. It's a little warmer than yesterday, so check these guys out. You guys ready? You guys ready to go?
Yo, you ready to put some air in the tires?
Put some air in the tires.
Yeah,
You see you blowing them things.
He looks like a pit man, right?
Yeah, you do look like pit crew. Let me see. Check my boy, y'all. You ready?
Yo, let me see a cartwheel.
Yo, those ain't race shoes, buddy.
Those ain't race shoes.
Yo, let me see a cartwheel.
Yo, let me see a
every time
cartwheel
I
right
wear my
here.
Yeezys, we do something special.
Let me see a cartwheel right
I
here.
ain't doing no cartwheel.
Come on. Yo, don't be scared. Come on. Let me see a cartwheel.
Nah, I ain't doing it. I ain't doing one.
Yo, I thought you was about it, bro.
Do
What
I look
happened?
like? Do I look like a?
You getting old on
You don't
me,
like
bro.
you don't like the drip?
You used to be about that life.
Yo, if I do a cartwheel in here, they'll blast.
That's the beauty of it.
They will blast me.
What happened to me?
Where's the camera guy at? That's what you gotta do for the show.
No.
That gotta be an intro for the show.
Yo, before he gets in the car and puts a helmet on.
Yeah, 2-step with a cartwheel.
Shit won't even, my knees won't even get up in the air. My knees will probably hit the floor. Are you ready to go?
I'm ready, baby. Are you?
Yeah, I want to see you guys like fist pumping over here, like when I'm passing by.
Oh, I got you.
I'm gonna hit the 2-3 shift on here so you guys can pow. You guys can be like, oh.
I want to see them flames spitting.
You ain't gonna see no flames during the day, but I promise you, you're gonna hear it. You're gonna hear the 2-3 shift right here. You can be like,
Let me see a little 1-2. Let me see a little 1-2
You got
shift.
paddle shift?
Let me see. Oh shit. Okay. Don't hurt yourself now.
Oh.
Bring the polo hoodie.
Oh, let me see a sleeve though. Only the best, right?
What here? There's go-karting, right?
So I'm giving everybody a 1 second head start, and I'm clearing them by 2 seconds.
No way. There's no way. Everybody's usually within a second within each other. You mean 2 seconds plus the second, so you're like
It's on
2.5
camera.
seconds.
It's on camera. It's going viral too. If I do that shit today, I'm posting that shit today. It's going viral.
Who do you think he is? You gained like 50 pounds over the winter time.
Nah, I don't think you
Then
got.
I'll open it up to anybody on this facility.
I don't think you got shit on my boy.
No way.
Not the same steps, but I'll open it up to anybody on this facility.
I don't think you got shit on my boy. Check out his suit.
Check out the drip, baby. You ain't beating me. I'm gonna put this on while I beat you.
The suit alone won't do it.
What about sneakers? I'll put the shoes on.
I don't know. Your shit's kind of loose over there. My boy shit's laced up. I don't know about you.
Alright, so a lot of things changed from this morning. So I guess the guy switched his car maybe 3 times. Originally it was a Pista, then he came in that Ferrari F, whatever that was. And then the car had carbon ceramics and he claimed that the brakes weren't good, whatever. So he went and got like the ultimate track circuit car, whatever. He bought a brand new Huracan STO to race. So that's the car I'm definitely racing because he went out today with it. So Huracan STO, it was literally brand new, has 100 miles on it. In my opinion, you might take the road course, whatever, no big deal. My first time on the road course was different. It was a big learning experience for me, but I don't know, it's not my thing. I think drag strip, we will have it all covered. For now, we're gonna race the STO and then we gotta be back here in the morning. So that was, we did a practice run on the track today. Tomorrow, the actual, you get 5 points for that. I think it's 15 points total, but 5 points for the track. We will see what happens tomorrow, but overall, the car feels good. And it's still here solid. I put more tire pressure in it so I can take the corners a lot better, but won't see what it does until tomorrow. So I'll see you guys in the morning. What's going down?
Just drinking some coffee right now. Just trying to catch my second win because it's been a long day, but I think we're about to leave right now. This coffee kind of tastes like,
It looks
like crap.
Looks pretty shitty. What do we do with shitty coffee? What are you doing, bro?
Just dumping it out.
What are you guys doing? That one too?
Yeah.
I guess we all got shitty coffee?
Yo, light that shit up.
Oh.
It kind of smells like coffee a little bit. I don't know what's going on.
Yo, look at the Renault. Oh my god. Yo, it's so much smoke.
Yo, I got you a gift.
I don't want it.
I got you a gift.
I don't want it.
I got your fat ass a gift. You wanna know what it is?
What is it?
Got your fat ass some donuts.
So you was putting donuts.
It tastes like it's 6 days old.
Morning's officially race day here on set. Our last day here. Things were kind of, I guess, rushed yesterday, so everyone left kind of early, but they're literally scrambling everything into one day. Sorry, the sun is pretty early here. All the cars are pretty much lined up here. It's race day. That means road course. The final road course is today. You get 2 warm-ups, and then they count, I guess, now best out of 3, so they shortened it up because literally have no time. All our cars that were here, everyone's last day here is today. So 2 warm-up laps, and then they count the best out of 3, so 5 laps total. Later tonight, I think 6 to 10 is the drag strip part of everything, which I can't wait for. Just giving you guys a quick rundown on what's going on. Car's pretty much ready to go. Road course is really not my thing, but I'm gonna do my best. Racing the STO after them switching three different cars, which is insane, but 100-mile STO. Car's badass though. So wish me luck.
Yo,
I traded Hondas.
this guy's a fucking trader, bro. He even switched up his haircut. Check him out.
He's supposed to rep for the
You
Civics.
look different from World
You
Cup
look like
now.
an exotic car owner.
Yeah,
That's-
I'm 20
Nah,
pounds
I don't like
heavier.
this old school
I'm
white
20
hair.
pounds heavier.
I don't even
that's
know you,
why.
bro.
You were supposed to bring a Honda here with me, but you done traded.
Again, next lane at the track too, just for that.
Yo, you wanna know the first thing that he did when we got here?
What?
Wash the car.
I think this place has a detail center.
Yeah, that's,
Yes, it does.
I didn't think it did, but he
Yo,
I've already seen. Yeah, I've
I
already
got you
seen
some
2
breakfast.
videos.
Oh my boy. Yo, here,
Got
hold
you
it.
some breakfast.
yo, you got a race? You eating cookies?
Breakfast of Champions. Too good.
This is a fat ass.
That's how we know you got a turbo all-wheel drive car. Because if this shit was all motor, it wouldn't be acceptable.
Yo, so you just came back from the road course. How'd it feel?
Car felt pretty good. It wasn't the fastest thing out there, but I mean, I can't complain for not driving on a road course.
Do you like the road course?
No, road course is definitely not for me.
Honestly, it's a different experience. I think you did pretty good for what we have. You guys gotta understand, we have a drag setup in this car, small radiator, big turbo, high horsepower car.
And not the greatest brakes on here because we're trying to put a slick on here, so I just left those on for now. But I'm actually going to a smaller set of brakes.
Honestly, I'm happy. I just can't wait till we get to the drag strip though.
And the guy that we're racing got a Renault.
You get no respect, bro.
Hold on. Come here. Renault, go look at the back plate. Came from a Renault company.
Royalty Rentals.
Yeah, Royalty Rentals. Renting them a brand new STO.
It's okay, baby. We're gonna drag that ass at the drag strip, though.
Hell yeah.
That's where this car's gonna shine. Yo, you excited for the drag strip, bro?
I've been waiting all week.
Let me see a cartwheel.
I think you changed. I think you changed. I think you're an
Just
autocross
keep
guy
your
now.
Poker face on right now, you know. Turn up on him on the drag strip.
We're gonna keep it calm for right now until we get to the strip. Then it's all up.
Oh, so you guys are acting professional right now?
Yo,
Very professional. Wait till 6 o'clock hits.
what happened at the end?
What?
Oh, you.
What happened at the end? I don't want to keep it professional. I want to know what happened at the end.
I tried to full send, right? So I came around the corner in second, shifted third, and then shifted fourth.
You hit limiter on fourth, and I was like, yo, he's on a pass right now.
Yo,
My
that
boy thought he was at the drag strip. He kept on going straight. He forgot he had to turn.
yeah, that shit must be like $170. Okay, I told the people on camera that I only did 140.
So we're gonna go to our boy's shop. We're gonna change the oil on the car, get it ready for the drag strip. See you guys later.
Huge shout out to the guys on the track. They let us do an oil change before we hit the drag strip. Road course is pretty dope, but now it's our time to shine, baby. I'm born ready.
Are you?
Yeah. Quick oil change.
We're out here in Vegas. You guys work at somebody else's shop? That's fucked up, bro.
Really?
And you know what the worst part is? He just shows up when it's done, like usual.
That's why I love you guys.
Don't be turning Hollywood on me, where now it's just the dirty work, you disappear, and then you show up and
You guys left without me. You guys
get
took the
all
car and
pretty.
left.
We're in a shop that works on supercars. And we're bringing them a
This is the supercar
You
in the shop.
ain't lying. Look. I think he said this is the only Honda that's ever been in
I
here.
told them any car here that wants some smoke, come grab Nick's lane.